In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Microsoft Teams meetings. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main Teams screen, direct your attention to the panel on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for moving around the app. From that left panel, click the calendar icon. This will take you to the Teams calendar view where you can see upcoming events, appointments, and meetings. If you want to create a new meeting, go to the top right area of the screen and click New Meeting. This opens the meeting setup page where you'll enter all the details for your event. At the top of this page, you'll see a drop-down menu for the time zone. It's a good idea to confirm that this is set correctly before filling out the rest of the form, especially if your attendees are in different regions or if you frequently work across time zones. Next, add your meeting title so everyone knows what the meeting is about. After that, enter the names or email addresses of the attendees you want to invite. Teams will use this information to send the meeting invitation to the right people. Now you can set the schedule for the meeting. Use the first two drop-down fields to choose the start date and start time. Then use the next two drop-down fields to set the end date and end time. Be sure to double-check these details so the meeting appears at the correct time on everyone's calendar. If needed, you can also choose whether the meeting repeats. This is useful for recurring team check-ins, weekly updates, or any meeting that happens on a regular schedule. You'll also have the option to add a location, even if the meeting is happening online. This field can still be useful if there's a room name or any location-related note you want participants to see. There's also a section where you can add meeting details. This is a great place to include an agenda, preparation notes, or any important context attendees should know before joining. Keeping this clear and concise can help everyone come prepared. Once you've entered everything, go to the top right corner and click Save. Teams will then create the meeting and send out the invitations based on the information you entered. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting.